A university handbook on terminology and specialized translation originated from the need to provide general introduction to the fields of terminology and specialized translation, both to students of specialized languages and to incoming translation students. So the book is basically an attempt to join these two inseparable and yet apparently detached fields through a balanced mixture of theory and practice, because neither terminology nor translation can be understood from a merely theoretical perspective. So there is a lot of practice in the book. General translation is not as easy as many people would think. Some feel that only by knowing two languages one is ready to translate fairly well, but this is not usually the case, because there are a series of translation strategies that need to be known and practiced, a fair amount of linguistic rules as far as the two languages involved in the translation are concerned, and various other concepts related to equivalence and non-equivalence at different levels that need to be understood. And when it comes to translating specialized texts, such as technical, scientific, legal, etc., there is always an added complexity that comes from the specialized terminology contained in each field of specialization. Because in order to translate these texts, it is not only necessary to know the respective specialized terms in both languages, but also the translator is to be familiar with the area of specialization as such, as a whole. This is one of the reasons why terminology and specialized translation are two fields that need to complement each other consistently and also continuously. The translator must be updated on terminology matters, but the terminologist also depends on the new texts that are constantly translated on the corresponding field of study. Also, terminology is a very useful field for students of specialized languages because it gives them the required tools so as to obtain a more thorough understanding of the foreign language they are studying in their specific linguistic context. In this book, I've included a lot of practice and using the English-Spanish correspondence. The practice contained in the book has also samples of answers for distance learning students. So I sincerely hope that this monographic study has managed to merge terminology and specialized translation in an introductory manner in order to help readers understand the dependence that exists between both fields. The idea is that the way the book is settled will enable readers to learn to benefit from the two sciences simultaneously, while enhancing the knowledge of the English language, especially with regard to its use in specialized fields. So I hope you enjoyed the book.